Fry fish into a hot oil. First marinate the fish with salt and turmeric powder. Then fry it and make a fine paste of ginger, cumin seed and coriander seed and green chili. Add cumin seed in the same oil and coriander seed. Add potatoes, fry it golden in color. Now add papaya and fry it with salt. Fry it nicely, golden in color. After frying, add all the spices, coriander, cumin seed, ginger paste and green chili paste. Now mix it and let it cook. Now add water, turmeric water in it. When broth boil, add turmeric powder in it. After 10 to 15 minutes boiling, now add fish one by one. Slightly stir it, not so much, otherwise fish may be break. Let it cook for a while. Now add young coriander leaf in it. Now cooking is over. Serve with hot rice. Thank you.